Yo, what's up? It's your boy Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. Legends never die, they stay in our hearts. If you want to support us, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also you can come down here and hit the join button under the video or in our channel section. And you can also join our Patreon, patreon.com/currency365. And we also have Cash App and also PayPal for supports if you want to sow some seeds. Peace out. God bless. Enjoy the video and keep the movement going. Legends. Bye. All right, all right. Welcome back to Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, so we're on Margex, and what a crazy 48 hours has been trading Margex. We're gonna go through my position history here, and it's awful, right? It's awful. Now, as you guys can see here, I've literally doubled my money already from the last time. And you can see, well, last time you saw 50,000 here in being able to have money for Margex leverage trading and at 100%. Now you see 75,000 there, but you see that there's four orders here. So these orders, this purchasing power of lending comes out of this, so that's why it drops, right? So, but anyways, and you can see that my Bitcoin account is even higher than way higher than the last time, right? So I mean, I think it's almost double the last time I did the video or something. I don't know, but Bitcoin is up significantly since the last time we did the video as well. But I got four positions open here on Margex, all to the long side. On Bitcoin here, I could easily lose here. I mean, Bitcoin could easily just start to freaking collapse here. Um, it's down 4% on Margex, and I'm pretty sure it's down on all the exchanges today. And Solana was going completely nuts. I was trading Solana as well. And yeah, so anyways, I'm hoping Bitcoin continues to the upside here. It did flash a red there, so we had some selling in there, but you can see that it's at a neutral site right now, and it's trying to figure out which way it wants to go, up or down. And I'm hoping it goes up for the sake of my long positions here. Now, my long positions, I would be out right now if my realized P&L wasn't -3. So just buying Bitcoin here with these with this money, with these orders was $3, right? So $3, $3 fee. Like if it was 50 cents, I would be in the money and I would be out right now, and I wouldn't have any problems selling right now, right? But it's a $3 fee, so that means $3 on the buy. I don't even know what it is on the sell. It could be another $3 on the sell. That's $6 right there, and then you're not taking home a lot of money. It might be even more than that on the sell side, right? And I might be only make like $1.80 or something, right? So, that's the only part that sucks about these trading accounts with leverage. These fees are too high for you to even make quick money like that. Sometimes the fees are low. All depends on the blockchain and what time of day it is. If you're trading at 1 in the morning, then the fees are a lot lower, right? If Bitcoin isn't having that much activities, the fees are lower, right? So it all depends. So Bitcoin looks like it wants to go up now. The lights are turning blue here, but we don't have it. We just have a neutral sign, a hold signal, and we have blue. Everything's in the blue. So back in the blue, back in the money, and you can see we're going up. So I'm up $11, $12, $13, $12 on my four right now. But of course, that's unrealized P&L. That's unrealized gains, because there is a fee for selling, right? So you can do a market sell, you can do a limit sell, right? So, um, okay, so I'm not gonna make much money here if I do market sales on all of these. Just not gonna make any money here. I need Bitcoin to start rising here and break that 65, 68.5. I do have sell orders here. I have 68.5, 68.6, 68.7 and 68.8. So okay, so we'll just see if I can hit some of these. If not, I could just market sell once I'm over $20. So here we go. So we're up $15 on at $16. Bitcoin starting to run here as I'm doing the video. So let's see if any of these can get up to $20. And once we hit $20, I'm gonna start selling some of these. Once we hit $20 here, if we can hit $20, or maybe I should start selling now because I've been waiting for maybe about almost 40 minutes on some of that. I don't know how long it's been, but you can see the time here where to open, but so I've been waiting a while here on on this trade. I'm not sure, maybe 30 minutes on there. But they're going up, so maybe I should take profits now because you can see that we're about to get a sell candle or at least a bearish candle here. So and now we're going back to the downside. Come on, Bitcoin, yeah, now we're up again. So let's see if the bulls can keep fighting here. And oh no, back to the downside with a bearish doji there. So now we got a bearish candle, back to a bearish doji. So aggressive Greystone Doji, right? So uh, Bitcoin's got to fight here and get back to the upside. Come on, Bitcoin, fight, 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 fight. And we're going back down. So I missed a chance on selling there, right? So that's what happens. This is how trading is, right? I could have easily got out. Some of these things were up 15 to 18. I could have just sold, and we would have been fine, right? So now we got to wait for Bitcoin to try to get back up. The bars, the MACD RSI bars are still in the green. So let's see if Bitcoin can hang in here and make something happen. This is a waste of time if I sell right now at these prices. But at the same time, you don't want to lose all your money as well. That's the problem, right? So you wait 30 minutes and you're not getting much money. I'm going to make like $1 to $2 after all these fees are taken out, right? And you're not making much money. I mean, on this, and it's a and it's a 30 minutes. So sometimes the markets are really slow. Last night the markets were really fast, right? So I was up and down and really fast. So let's look at my positions here. By the way, I'll put this video on Patreon as well, because I did tell Patreon I'll put this video on there. And we're just looking at the activities from last night. You can see the realized P&L here. Minus $13, minus $7, $3, $9.81, minus $20. I got liquidated from several. I think I got liquidated like 10 times in the last 48 hours here, or last 24 hours, which sucks. But when you're high risk, high reward. But at the same time, we're not, it is what it is, right? So, and then you got, minus 20, minus 9, $21, minus 30, $502. So that right there covers literally everything that I've lost. You know what I mean? And so that trade right there was a big one, right? That $502. But I also lost $280, right? And then I got a $98 winner. Then I had minus 26, minus 27, $68 winner, $88 winner. Then I got a minus 21. Then I got a $95 winner, right? And so this is all within 24 hours. So, when people say, it's hard to make $100 an hour or $100 a day. Well, just get on Margex and trade. You know what I mean? I'm trading with, I'm trading with $50, at a time. 100x leverage, which puts it at what, 5,000, $5,000, and but my money is $50, and I'm trading with $50 here. You can see 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. You can make $15, $28 off of $50, right? So, yeah, I mean, some of you guys go to work and you don't even get paid 28 dollars an hour, right? So some of you guys go to work and you might get $18 an hour, and here on Margex, you just borrow $5,000 from the clients here, and you trade with $50, and you're able to make money here. So you can see all the rest of them here. From just the last 24 hours. Minus $100 there. I lost $100, minus $100, minus $31, minus $7, minus another 100. I lost 100 again. This is all, I think I got liquidated here. I got liquidated on all these positions here. That's how quick things were going. I was getting bad positions because the markets were going up and down so fast. Margex was giving me all these bad positions, and because I was doing 100x leverage, it was so the positions were so bad, they were so close to the liquidity, to being liquidated. So that's what happened. I was getting these bad positions, and I was getting liquidated very quickly within like minutes or seconds. One I remember, I did one buy last night, and I was liquidated within 2 seconds because Bitcoin was going up and down so freaking fast that it was just not the right environment to play it, right? So sometimes that happens, and then sometimes this happens where Bitcoin's doing absolutely nothing, and you have to wait for 3 hours just to make $20. So okay, and then when Bitcoin does do that, then you can go to play some of the other ones that can actually make a move. Solana's a really good one on here, but you can see, I mean, just absolutely getting annihilated last night. But I still ended up making about $400 at the end of the day last night. So you know what I mean. And you can see 123 minus 13, the $16 minus 39 minus 99. Jesus Christ, $16 minus 20, 19 hours. 24 bucks there. I did a ton of trading last night, man. $11 minus 60, $9 minus, 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 right? So a lot of, um, a lot of bad trading, right? So a lot of bad trading, and that's because the volatility was crazy in Bitcoin. But look, that $293 though, right? So I had some really big ones, 500, 290, two some. So that's what helped me out to actually turn into profitable, and I've tripled my account. Even with all of these losses you guys have seen here, I've still tripled. There's a 91. So these two combined, there's a 91, $108 profit, $91 profit, $293 profit. This is all within seconds, right? On Margex. So you know what I mean? And so, but you can also lose like I've done here as well. So I wanted to guys show you guys that you can lose a lot and still make a lot of money. Okay. So it's not hard. Well, it is hard, but it's not impossible. Especially if you're trading with $5 and you do 100x leverage, which puts you at what, $500, right? For me, I like trading with 5,000. Sometimes I'll go and I'll trade with 5,000, which means I'm only trading with my own money is only $5, $50, right? $50. 100x leverage is 5,000, right? So I'm using other people's money. I'm not using my money. I'm only using $50 of my money. So if this thing gets liquidated, I only lose $50, right? So if it gets fully liquidated, right? So now, of course, I don't have to get my stuff liquidated. And somebody says, okay, where's the liquidated prices? Right here. Here's the liquidated prices. All right, so here's liquidated price. You can see one of my orders just got filled for take profit. So that was a nice one. Let's see how much that was. Let's go here. Here it was here, and it was $18. So I just made $18.93 in about 40 minutes. It's been about 40 minutes on this trade, which is a long trade, but 40 minutes made $18.93 there. And then I got these other ones here that I can sell as well. Bitcoin continues to upside. I'm up. Let me actually get out of these positions here. I'm just gonna do markets here and show you how quickly you can sell these. You know what I mean? And then we'll see how much I actually made after the market orders are done. Okay. So all right. So let's see how that looks now. Um, you can see now I'm at $101,000 that I can use in the platform now, right? So last time I don't know how much I was up. Last time 50,000, 140,000, 50,000, right? So now I'm up. Now I'm at 101,000, and now my Bitcoin is at 0.016, right? So before I think it was at 0.004 or something like that. You know what I mean? So I just showed you that I lost like 200 times in the last 24 hours, and I've still doubled my account, right, or tripled my account. And so yeah, I mean, so you guys can do this. So let's see how much I just made here. Um, did I actually no? That was a sell one. That was not the buy one. So this is the buy. This is the buy. This is the buy. So $16, 16.41 in 30 minutes. $16.04 in 30 minutes. 18.93 in 30 minutes. And then I had this other one. Where's the other one? We was four of them. One, two, three. There's the other one. Okay. The other one was 1551. So, that's all in 30 minutes there, 30, 40 minutes. That's what you can do here on Margex. You can lose a lot and still make a lot of money on here. Go try doing this 5,000. You can do 10,000. I was doing 10,000 as well, but you try this 5,000. Try 5,000 isolated Margex 100x on Bitcoin and just try it out. I mean, it's only $50, right? You're spending. You're using other people's money that's on the platform, right? So it's leverage trading, right? So but the good thing is isolated leverage trading, so you don't have you only will be liquidated 50 bucks, and you still save your rest of your account, right? And if you do that 10 times, if you win 7 out of 10 times, guess what? Your account is up. Even if you lose 7 times, if those three are $300 to $500 profits, then you're still good, right? So I can lose thousands of times as long as my profitable trades are three, four, $500 at a time, then it doesn't matter, right? I'm still green, right? Um, okay, and then the good thing about it, there's a referral program, so you can just have if your friends like to trade, you can have them trade with you on Margex, and you can earn commissions off of them, right? So off of their trading. So I mean, that's something you can do as well if you want to do that. If you have friends that people at school, your college people, your coworkers, if they like to trade cryptos at night or during the weekend, hey, get them on Margex or get them on another trading site, whatever you want to use. And you can make trading fees off of them as well, if you like, right? And whatever, it is what it is. You can do that if you want. There is a section for that, but I'm just showing you what I was doing. You guys do whatever you want. You can use there's MEXC Global. There's others. I'm just showing you what I've done on here. And you guys can do whatever you want on. I mean, you can use Binance. There's leverage trading on Binance. I don't think it's isolated leverage though. Maybe others have put it in now. But most of those other places, you will be liquidated your entire account. Unless they actually have put isolated leverage trading in there because now everybody's going over to Margex. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Now I'm looking at Bitcoin now, and I have my 5,000 order here. I can do a short. You can short the market, or you can buy the market, and you can do a market order. You can do a limit. Doesn't whatever you want to do. Of course, you get bad position when you do markets, but if you believe it's going up, then you don't care about that. And right now, Bitcoin continues to the upside, and we have white bars here, and no red in sight right now, so everything's to the upside, but it is moving very slow. So when it moves very slow like this, you might want to play something else. So you can just go up here and let's see. I don't play Ethereum because the fees are way too high, because you have to include the I guess the Ethereum network, and the fees are way too high. I stay away from Ethereum there, but you can play XRP at 63. Really doesn't move too much. The other one I love is Solana. Solana is the one I like. And Solana has a sell signal in right now. So we can go short here on Solana and see if we can make some money, right? So I might get killed here because the bulls might be waiting for me to go short, and then they're gonna try to trap me in this thing, right? So that's it, because this is the candle I wanted to be on, right? So if I was gonna go short here, I would have been short right up top here, and then I would have made money on this candle. Now I gotta pray that another candle is coming, right? So let's go short now with a market. Let's just see how it looks, right? And so let's see what happens here. It's a sell signal in on Solana, down to downside. You see the unrealized gains here. I want to make at least $20 on this thing. A $3 fee just to buy this thing, just to go short here. And so I'm trying to make 20 bucks here. So I'm gonna get my market order ready to go. So I'm just gonna do a market order. I only do a limit order, and I'm up $11 right now. Let's see if I can make $20 very quickly on this video here. $15 right now in profit. Let's go. Pull it back. Solana's trying to come back up now. Let's go. $17. We're almost at 20, 18. Do we hear? There we go, 19. Let's just get out at 19, and there's the 22 right there. Boom, there's our profit. That's how it's done. on Margex. Woo! And you can see it's still going down now. Let's see how much we actually made. $16.92 with the fees for the selling side. Because we don't know what the sell side fees are. That's the only problem with Margex. They don't tell you what the sell side fees are. They'll tell you what the buy side is, but the sell side might be $5 in fees. We don't know, right? So they take that, but you can see I just made $16.92 within 10 seconds. So that's how you can play this thing. Make sure when you somebody's like, okay, the MACD lines, where do you find that? It's right here. You go to indicators and you just put MACD, and there it is, right? So MACD lines here, you use that one there, and you can pull this up and down as well. So if you can pull this down if you don't have any trades, you can pull this down so you see how big this is now, and you can just watch it. And you can use the RSI MACD lines in the money flow as well, and then check, look at your charts. If it's overextended and everything, sell signals come in. Sometimes the sell signals don't work though every time, but if they are a good indicator, look at the flush out here. This is a bullish candle. Sometimes it's a bottom reversal, a long wick bottom reversal, right? So it's a long wick bottom reversal. We call it a wick bottom, right? So this is the buy signal here for you to go long, right? So you look out for those types of stuff, hammers and gravestone dojis at the tops and stuff like that, right? So this is a bearish candle here, a long wick bottom, spinning top there. Down we go, right to the good place to put a short position in there, especially if the MACD lines and RSI MACD lines are at the top and at the overbought territory. So you can use what you've learned on Patreon to do stuff like this as well. All right. And you can just follow the money and follow the momentum. Right. And this guides you as well. What are the orders? What are the orders looking like? How big are the orders on this side compared to this side? Right. And you can see that as well. And we're still going down. I would have made even more money. I would have made $30 right now if I had continued. Okay. So that's how you do it, folks. That's Margex. I'm not going to tell you guys that you need to go on and check the link and all that stuff. I'm just showing you guys what I've done in the last 48 hours. I've done a ton of trading. I've lost a lot. I've been liquidated like 10 times. And the cool thing about Margex is that they will literally message you, email you telling you you've been liquidated. It's like, thanks, man. That's a really awesome, but yeah, man, I think I've been liquidated 10 times in the last 24 hours. And I've lost a lot, but I've also made a lot of winning trades as well. And my account is continuing to rise, right? So I've tripled my account yeah, and so it is what it is. And somebody said, why is this not 100,000? Because it's a 50x leverage. So you can only spend up to 51,000. All right. So if I go back to Bitcoin, then yeah, then I get, now I'm at 130, now $103,000 and that I can use to trade. Right. So that's pretty good. All right. So that's it. Peace out. God bless. Hope you guys are doing well. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man.